everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a first impressions video of a couple of cosmetic brands that have sent me out some gifts. Usually I do unboxing stories on Instagram, but this one I thought I would save for YouTube. So if you would like to see my first impressions video, please keep watching. The first package I want to share with you is from no other than Pixi. Pixi send out some of the most amazing PR packages and their products are amazing. I absolutely love them. But wait till you see what's inside here. They have sent out their new Pixi Cake makeup bars. So they're kind of like, it's like a big shimmer brick, really. And one is the Pixi Glow Cake in Glided Bare Glow, and the other one is Pink Champagne Glow. And they also sent this cute little selfie light with a rechargeable. And do you know what I found really funny is the fact that I'd said to my husband, can you get me one of these selfie lights? And I came home from work and had this package from Pixi and there was a little selfie light in it. So I'm kind of drawn to this one here. This is the Pixi Glow Cake. This is the Pink Champagne one. Now, I've not done my makeup. All I've got on just now is foundation because I thought what I would do is just test these on my skin while unboxing them. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? The other one is, this one is Gilded Bare. Gilded Bare Glow. This one's more of a kind of like a peachy, coppery tone. I want to then move on to another package that I got, and this is from new CID. Now I've half opened this, but I've not delved right in and unboxed it properly. So what I really wanted to do when I say do a first impressions video was really just open everything up and then try it on as we go along. So let's just see what is in here. They have sent, oh, we have got, what is this? This, oh, it's a makeup brush. Let's see what they've sent. Oh, look at that, that is beautiful, look at this. I love the chrome handles on this. This is more, there's more brushes in here, oh my goodness. In fact, there's quite a lot. There are tons. We have also got, oh wow, look at this. I love these. Okay, we've got a lovely brusher blush. This will be good for putting on the Pixi blush. And then we also have an eyeshadow brush. It's a really nice flat edge that'll be kind of good for getting in right in here. And we also have another eyeshadow brush. Wow. If I can get this out. These brushes feel really good quality. The handle on them is solid. They feel really good. We've also got another eyeshadow brush. And finally, this looks to me like it's a big bronzing brush. And it is, oh wow, look at this. Look at that. So we have in here this is an eye gloss. This is a light up lip gloss with mirror. Oh, I've always wanted to try one of those lipsticks and lip glosses that have got the mirror at the end. Oh my goodness, they've picked the right colour for me, pink. This is, what shade is this called? This one is called, let me see, Tickled Pink. Oh wow, I love this white packaging. This is gorgeous. And we have, oh wow. Do you know what? I've always wanted to try this highlighter ever since I've seen Ashley the Elements to Beauty using this on her channel. Look at the colours in that. Isn't that gorgeous? Classics. This will be an eyeshadow palette. Oh well, it is, yeah, look at this. This is the eyeshadow palette. So I am going to do my makeup now with these products. I am going to do my blush with Pixi and I'm going to do my eyeshadow with this. I'm going to go in with, oh I can't choose, they're all gorgeous, look. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start with this nude colour here. This is the shade Dawn. And I'm just going to use the brush that's provided with the eyeshadow palette. You can actually see that colour go straight on the eyelid. I'm just going to do my other lid now. I'm just going to pat that in because it's the first layer of eyeshadow, and the oils of your finger are always going to help settle the eyeshadow onto your eyelid. I'm then going to move in with Meteor, the shade Meteor, that's this one here. And I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm just going to, this time, just sort of dab down on that. And then I'm going to go into my crease line. And then at the other end, I'm just going to blend them in together. I'm now going to go in with Cosmos. I'm going to take the shade Cosmos here. And I'm going to go back in with the fluffy end of the brush. I'm just going to dab a tiny little bit on and then take that into the crease here and the corner edge of my eye. And then I'm just going to blend it through with this. Same on the other side. And then I'm just going to blend it in. Normally when you get brushes with eyeshadow palettes, they're not very good, but this one is actually really, really, really good. Okay, I'm then just going to, with this same dark colour, go along the top of my lash line. That eyeshadow was really nice. It blended in really well. It went on effortlessly, and you can see there was no fallout with this eyeshadow. I just need to tidy up the sides of my eyes, and then I'll put on mascara. This is from Givenchy. This is just a sample size mascara, and I'm just going to can see the difference that mascara makes to my eyes, because you can't see my eyelashes because they're so I'm now going to go in with the Pixi, and I think I'm going to go with this one here. This is the Gilded Bare Glow, and I'm going to just start at this end here for sort of a bronzed look here, and then I might go down a little bit too. I'm just going to go into the pink part here for some rosy cheeks. I love the glitter on this. Same brush here. I'm going to use this brush again. I really like this brush, it's lovely. But I'm just going to go along the edge, with the edge of the brush along here. And then I'm going to highlight along there. And then I'm just going to go in with the corner of my finger and do the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to do my upper brow bone. A lovely glow to that highlighter. It's not like too bright and in your face. It's just a really, really nice subtle glow. So now for my first impressions of the new CID Cosmetics lip gloss. First impressions of this, it feels like a proper lip gloss. It's very glossy. It's a bit like the Ample Glass from MAC, but it's not sticky. If you'd like to see more videos from me and any more first impressions videos from me, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Until the next video, thanks very much for watching, guys. Bye bye.